Hey yo, it's Chris O. I'm just about to do my corners. So you cut a piece about yay long, give it a zap in the middle with your knife, like that, just like that. See that? And you fold it. That's how you do your corner. But you must have waterproof. See my finger? You must have waterproof there so it sticks. So we'll pop a bit there like that. Nice and fresh. And we pop the sucker in there like that. Get away your wrinkle tinkles. Then we lift that flap, squeeze some waterproof in there, and we put it down like that. Then we brush some more on. This is all the first coat, don't forget. What I could have done though, maybe what I should have done, I am a stickler for saying to you start at the bottom so the join is always overlapping. Well, I should have done that corner actually first, and then my bottom piece goes over. It's quite important, but you know, it's not gonna, the world's not going to fall apart. But what I could have done is my corner piece first. Then everything else is going over it like that. But just look what I said, it's not the end of the world. Pop some there, give it something to stick to. Smooth out your wrinkles. Like so. And you're good to go. Good one. Right, now we're up here. I still want to put a bit of slope on this. I'll do that tomorrow. I'll mix up a little bit of mud and give it some slope, and then the next day I can just put some waterproof on it before I tile my walls. Tomorrow I'm going to be tiling, doing the floor. You know, you see videos of waterproofing, there's spots missed and it's rough as. Well, God, it's not that hard, people. Just concentrate on what you're doing. Open your eyes. Don't go that fast that you're not watching what you're doing. That's ridiculous. You know, I know I've got a corner, so I make sure my corner, and I make sure that corner, that there's no holes. But what you see sometimes with waterproofing done, it's a shocker. Why? I don't know. You got to have a bit of heart in it, maybe. Well, you do, you definitely do. You got to have a bit of heart in it. Love what you do, people, or don't bother doing it. Get someone else. Get someone else to do it. Don't be a DIY just to save money. And not care what you do. Be a DIY, care what you do. I need to go around there yet. I might use a bit of this. If you're going to be a roughie, DIY, don't bother. Pay someone to do it. If you do it from your heart, well then you're laughing. Doesn't matter how good a tiler you are or DIY or whatever. If you're not doing it from your heart, no good. No good, Charlie. Now DIYs. Why is that so important to seal up like that? Because water can be sucked in behind the cover plate and you think you've got a leak, but you haven't. But for years, there is not even any waterproofing up your walls, you know. Incredible. Okay, I'll carry on doing my first coat and I'll come back to you shortly. This is Chris O. Smash that subscribe button It helps me grow people, and that's what it's all about, is growth. The money I make from YouTube, I wouldn't get out of bed for, because it's stuff all. I'm doing this because I want to show you people how it's done. See you soon. Yo!